Experience unparalleled home entertainment with the 500 feet D0 LBY Vision 4K HDR HD HDMI extender kit. Designed for seamless integration into high-end home theaters, this kit boasts impressive specifications, supporting 4K resolution at 60 Hz with YUV4 to 4:4 color sampling and HDR10 compatibility. It features HDSP 2.2 for universal media source support and ensures crisp, uncompressed audio with D0 LBY Atmos and various surround sound formats. The kit includes a transmitter and receiver capable of extending HDMI signals up to 500 feet, 150 meters, over a single Cat5e, Cat6, or Cat7 cable, all while maintaining pristine signal quality and low latency. Bidirectional infrared and RS-232 serial control allow for versatile setup options, making it compatible with automation systems like Crestron, Savant, and Control4. With power over cable (POC) support, it simplifies installation by eliminating the need for additional power outlets at the receiver end. Ideal for enthusiasts and professionals alike, this extender kit ensures a true-to-life viewing experience with its support for D0 LBY Vision and HDR content, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Whether you're setting up a dedicated home theater or integrating it into a larger automation system, its reliability and performance make it a standout choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.